Hey everyone, it's Rob from Spectrum and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're unboxing and setting up the Spectrum Opal Lux 10-inch ring light. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Hit that notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you in any way. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the Spectrum Opal Lux 10-inch ring light. Follow us on social media at spectrum.aurora and visit our website, spectrum-brand.com. Let's get into it. So what's included with the Spectrum Opal Lux 10-inch ring light? Firstly, you have the ring light head itself. This is a USB Type A powered ring light. The next accessory you have is a flexible mobile bracket and also features a mobile holder. You have the extension rod for the ring light, and this connects to the base plate and also allows you to mount the ring light directly. And lastly is the base plate. To set up the Spectrum Opal Lux is relatively easy. Firstly, you need to grab the base plate and the extension rod. This connects directly simply by screwing. Ensure that the silver part is at the top. Now once you've screwed that securely, it shouldn't have any wobble whatsoever. Now you can get the ring light head itself and just loosen the screw at the bottom position here to ensure that it doesn't obstruct the way when mounting it to the top of the stand. Then you screw to tighten and secure the ring light. The ring light also features another knob that allows you to control the tilt of the head. You can also swivel it, so you can direct the light to whatever direction you desire. From there, you have an accessory here, and this is a mobile bracket. It's also flexible. It features a 1/4-inch thread at the bottom here that lines up to the middle center here of the ring light. You can screw that directly on. This is an optional accessory, so it's something that you don't have to use if you're not going to be using a mobile device. Now you can unscrew the back portion of the mobile bracket, insert the mobile bracket to the ball head there, and then re-screw to tighten. This mobile bracket is universal and extends like so it should fit most smartphones. Powering the Opal Lux is relatively easy. You could use a portable charger such as this, also a USB adapter. You can plug it into your computer or to your laptop. So we have a portable charger here. Simply plug this in. And what you should see straight away is a little blue LED backlight behind the power buttons here. You can turn that on. The great thing about this light is that there's 10 steps of brightness. It has a CRI rating of 85+. It offers 2006 lumens at 1 meter at full intensity. You also have 3 different color temperatures. So you have daylight, you've got a warm color temperature, and a warm white color temperature also. The light itself, the dimensions are 26 centimeters in diameter, or approximately 10 inches, and you have 20 centimeters of space here in the center, so it should fit most smart devices, and the light itself weighs 1 kilo. The Spectrum Opal Lux 10-inch ring light is a perfect tabletop lighting setup for Zoom calls, for taking photos and videos, and for content creators. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like in the video if it's helped you in any way. Feel free to leave down in the comment section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the Spectrum 10-inch Opal Lux ring light. Follow us on social media at spectrum.aurora and visit our website, spectrum-brand.com.